All right, let's take a live look outside again, tracking more severe storms tonight, hopefully starting to move out of our area.
I really hope so. I hope it clears up at least for the weekend.
Kinda. Yeah, we're going to still have some storms around, not as many. And I'm not really looking at a significant severe threat here over the weekend. Can't rule out a couple of storms maybe getting out of hand, but it looks like we're going to be dealing with lower chances for storms this weekend. They're still going to be around, but not quite as many. But it looks like for the rest of this evening, there's still a chance that we could see a few more pop up. And they've just been randomly developing across the area. Storms that we're watching now, Carroll County, Baltimore County, and down towards the south. Looks like Talbot County may be next in line again for another round of storms. North of Baltimore City, though, this is getting into central Baltimore County. You can see around Cockeysville some pretty decent downpours there. Carroll County, same story. Westminster up towards Mount Pleasant. And it looks like down into portions of southern Maryland, particularly into Calvert County, St. Mary's County. And notice all the lightning associated with that one over the bay that is just due west of, or at least south and west of Tillman Island. Some pretty decent light show. I want to show you how much rainfall these storms have been producing. This is over on the eastern shore in Talbot County, north and east of Easton. We've since yesterday, 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. And a lot of that they got this afternoon, 3 to 4 inches from rainfall from one storm there. So these storms, when they do occur, they produce a lot of rainfall in a short period of time. Flood watch in effect through this evening, so any more storms that do happen to pop up will perhaps produce some more downpours that could cause some brief flash flooding. Temperatures, though, have cooled off. That's one of the purposes of thunderstorms in nature and in the atmosphere. They redistribute heat, so that's why we got the storms yesterday. It was so hot and humid. The atmosphere needed to do something with it, so we got the storms, cooled things off. Same thing again this afternoon. Right now, 74 in Baltimore, 82 for Annapolis, currently 85 in Elkton. So again, this evening, we're going to keep a chance for storms in the forecast. Gradually winding down after midnight tonight, just mostly cloudy, and then tomorrow afternoon, a couple of storms will pop up. Don't cancel your weekend plans because we're not looking at an all-day deal. There will still be a chance for storms during the afternoon and evening, so you need to be mindful of that. It may interrupt things for a couple of hours, but not going to be kind of a whole-day thing. Same thing on Sunday. Looks like storm chances will continue into next week as the front gets a little bit closer to us. And that same front is going to try to make a push through the area by midweek. And at this point, it looks like towards the end of next week, this time next week, we're going to be looking at some very comfortable humidity and temperatures across the area. That is, if that whole forecast holds true, which right now I'm sticking to that. So tomorrow's forecast, storm chances kicking up here during the afternoon. Best chances between 2 and like 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, and then gradually winding down. Forecast tonight down to 73. We're going to keep a chance for storms in the forecast through midnight. Highs tomorrow around 90. Storm chances during the late afternoon and evening. First alert 7-day forecast, highs near 90. Hottest days Monday and Tuesday and next week. But look at next Friday. This whole forecast holds true. 82 for a high. Temperatures into the low 60s at night, maybe even starting next weekend into the upper 50s in some spots. So I'll be looking forward to that.
So, Derek, what you're saying is a week from today is when things are going to look great.
Just got to be patient.